Well, here we are in week 8, and as we look at our agenda for week 8 in Blackboard, you'll notice that as I scroll down, that's all we have for this week. This is a week to wrap things up, so let's take a look at what we're doing. You'll notice here in the top that there's no new reading for this week. There's a list of assignments that are due. In Module 1, please watch the video screencast that your collegial partner created to introduce you, and then make a comment on your collegial partner's blog post thanking them, or the managing up thanking them for your introduction. Module 2 this week is all about the museum walk, and you're going to participate in the museum walk by commenting on 5 colleagues' presentations, their best school in the universe presentations that they created and put in Weebly. The 5 comments, or the 5 colleagues that you'll comment on, will include your collegial partner and 4 additional students in the class, and I'll give you a little more detail about that right now. Oops, notice a mistake here. That'll be fixed by the time you see it. Your 5 comments are due on October 22nd, not March 19th. I'll fix that when I'm done with the video. So I'm going to go over here to our navigation bar on the left. I'm going to come up here to Student Collegial Pairs. And this is how you're going to comment on 5 of your fellow students in the class and their best school in the universe digital poster. So we'll start up with pair 1, use John as an example. John's going to comment on Candace, Kristen, Amanda, Jacob, and Kelly. Then of course Candace will do the same thing, John, Kristen, Amanda, Jacob, and Kelly, etc., etc. So that's the first grouping, pairs 1, 2, and 3. Same thing will apply with pairs 4, 5, and 6. Sheila comments on David, Jacob, Andrea, and Jaime, and Nona. And then, of course, everybody in that grouping comments on the other 5. Same thing for pairs 7, 8, and 9. The only difference is that when we get down to pairs 10 and 11, and of course with pair 11, it's really not a pair, it's 3 people. So Jessica and the rest of the grouping here in 10 and 11 will actually only be commenting on 4 of their colleagues' digital posters. Let's go back to week 8. And talk a little bit now about the leadership platform. You'll see that the final draft is due on October 22nd. You're going to write it as a Google Doc. Make sure that you have the share settings in Google Docs to anyone with a link. And you're going to put that link in your leadership platform in Weebly. And again, that's due by the 22nd. And finally, down here at the bottom, you've got a list of the assignments that are due. The comment on your collegial partner's managing up presentation, thanking them for your introduction, your comments, either 4 or 5 comments on Best School in the Universe poster, and of course, final draft leadership platform. That's it. Time to wrap things up. As always, let us know how we can help.